Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining this short webinar that is designed to offer a brief overview of our innoVi enterprise platform as part of a series of webinars to come. My name is Susie Weiss, and I am the Regional Sales Manager for EMEA at AgentVI. For those of you that may not be familiar with us, I'll start with a quick introduction. AgentVI has been a global leader in video analytics solutions since 2003, with thousands of successful deployments worldwide. We continue to be at the forefront of cutting-edge technology and offer an open architecture platform, which all ensures a one-stop shop for all of your intelligent needs. The reality is that anyone who owns or installs a camera needs video analytics to be able to make an otherwise reactive system proactive and meaningful. However, we have designed specific features in our innoVi platform to mainly benefit the following industries: smart cities, transportation, infrastructure, and central monitoring, where we see a growing need for sophisticated and effective intelligence. Within these industries, there are different situations that require different types of analytics. The first is the real-time, rule-based analytics, which I'm sure most of you are already familiar with. In this case, you know what you're looking for and create rules based on your security and safety requirements. The second is real-time anomaly detection, or in other words, I don't know what I'm looking for, but I will do when I see it. The third type of analytics is intelligent investigation, where you can have rapid retrieval of events and objects of interest from recorded video. And the last group are the operational insights, or a high-level overview of one or many sites. Now, we'll take a deeper dive into these features in a moment, but before we do, I'd like to just take a minute to discuss the 4 pillars, as we call them, of the innoVi platform. The first being the ease of installation and maintenance. Utilizing our AI-driven platform, innoVi is as close to plug-in and play as analytics comes without compromising on quality. innoVi is also optimized for a virtual cloud environment with built-in cybersecurity measures. As the platform is camera and VMS agnostic, we can work with new and existing security systems. In terms of accuracy, innoVi uses custom-built AI algorithms based on real-life images that are constantly learning the scene and improving detection so that the analytics is working for the operator and not the other way around. And lastly, as we can grow as your system grows without the need for redesign, innoVi offers a truly scalable platform. The video analytics market has evolved to AI and deep learning. But what does that mean? What do we mean when we say that innoVi is an AI-based video analytics platform? In a nutshell, the essence of AI is the capability to detect objects of interest with minimal setup and configuration, even in very challenging environments, such as in the videos below. Now, going back to the features of innoVi Enterprise, let's take a deeper look into the capabilities that we offer. Our real-time detection allows the operator to define potential events in advance and then receive rapid alerts to be able to act in real time. For security situations, intrusion detection rules are still the most widely used, especially today, where there are many sites left unmanned due to COVID-19, where employers may be working from home for extended periods of time. Therefore, the need for effective protection of sites is more important than ever. Here you can see some examples of rule-based applications for safety reasons, whether it may be to keep social distancing in a public place or safeguarding passengers on a railway platform, where you can utilize our occupancy and grouping features. Anomaly detection offers alerts based on unusual events that are otherwise unable to be predicted beforehand. As it isn't realistic to set up rules and manage events on all the cameras on a site, especially with large sites or say city environments that may have multiple sites, anomaly detection learns what is usual in the scene so that when there is something unusual, like let's say a live parade in the video on the slide, the operator is able to verify what is of interest or not, making it a dynamic and interactive process, and allows you to utilize all the cameras that are otherwise inactive. The investigation process offers rapid retrieval of relevant objects and events of interest across one or multiple sites. All the operator has to do is follow a few simple steps where you define your query based on a number of filters such as location, object characteristics, color, and so on, and then retrieve relevant events with intuitive views that can be used to act on for further investigation. What makes our investigation process stand out is the speed in which the operator can retrieve the events across the entire network due to our effective metadata generation. Utilizing the same metadata as we use for our real-time and investigation functions, here we are offering a high-level overview of the trends of people and vehicles. This is often used to gain better situational awareness and plan budgets and resources more accurately. innoVi creates accurate statistical data, which can be viewed through the innoVi dashboard or third-party BI tools. So what does innoVi look like in practice? innoVi is a federated system comprised of two main components, the innoVi core, which is the management layer, and the innoVi edge, the analytics layer. The core can be Agent VI hosted in the cloud or customer hosted in their data center, and the innoVi edge sits at the site with the camera on the network. How does this process work? At the camera's network, innoVi Edge retrieves the video stream from the cameras using standard RTSP and ONVIF protocols, and then processes the video to perform object detection, tracking, metadata creation, and event generation. The data is then streamed at a very low bandwidth to the innoVi core for additional processing and management purposes. The innoVi core then serves as a gateway to third-party applications to send process data, events, search results, and statistical data. One of the main challenges of AI-based analytics is that they are very heavy on the processing. innoVi's unique technology and collaboration with Intel allows us to process a very high number of cameras on a single server without the need for expensive GPU cards. I hope you found this brief introduction into our innoVi Enterprise platform helpful, and we welcome you to contact us for further information and a trial of our software. Please contact us at sales@agentvi.com.